There you go, ladies and gentlemen. We have the best man and the bridesmaids to be. And it's Rita, Joycey, Mercy, and Nifa, Selvin, Ruben, Jubal, and Shobha. Then you come forward, give high five. And I see you clapping, everybody. Thank you. We put your hands up, brother. There you go. Wonderful and fantastic. You need to wave out to the people for sure. Well, the request goes out. Right.
I love you, Morgan.
A very eminent personality has been given the honors to raise a toast. He happened to be a well-known person all over Goa for sure. He also happened to be Sydney's sir at Brainbox Academy. He happens to be Mr. Anthony De Silva, who's been given the honors to raise a toast. Can I see you put your hands together for Mr. Anthony? Thank you.
सगळ्यांक तुमकां देव बरो दीस दिवं. सगळ्यांक तुमकां देव बरो दीस दिवं. वंडरफुल. पयले सुवातेर त्या दिनवासता ही साऊथ म्हाका दिली म्हणून जायते फावटी आतां हांव जाणटे पिरायेर पावलो, सिनियर सिटीजन जालो, पूण जायते स्टुडंटांची चड करून हे म्हाका भाग मेळटा. ताका लागून सिडनीक पयले सुवातेर हांव दिनवास दिता. इतल्यान तुजी स्टोरी काबार. सिडनीची व्हडली व्हडवी खोडपाची गरज ना, पूण मागीर कितें जाता म्हाज्या तोंडांतल्यान आयकप इट मेक्स अ डिफरन्स. वॉट इफ पीपल वेट टू लिसन वॉट सर हॅज टू से अबाउट दिस चाइल्ड. सिडनी इज अ व्हेरी हार्ड वर्किंग एंड अ पर्सन जो persevere करता till he reaches his end goal. He will work towards it, come what may. With all his difficulties, he is usually focused. Hardworking child he was. See, there are two types of children I have seen as a teacher, as a sir. There are children who are intelligent, clever and hardworking. Much जी भुरगी hard work करता, intelligence and cleverness is the topping. That is what Sydney is. As per Felicia, एकूच उतरान सांगतलो हांव, but I want to say something more about her, and especially जे साऊथीन हांवें प्लॅनिंगूच करूंक ना, देरेफेन लायक अ गेट क्रॅशर म्हणटा ते भाशेन हांव फेलिसियाच्या घरा जेवणाक पावलो. You know what was the striking thing which sums up Felicia's character? आम्ही जेवण घेऊन भायर सरताले. माझ्या बरोबर दुसरे पर्सनॅलिटी आलेले. I don't know whether Felicia can recollect and remember this. You know, she came personally to all of us. Sir, kazaram. She knows I was the Toastmaster. Still, she made it a point to say, Sir, kazaram. It was touching, you know. She was telling everybody who was leaving that place. John Dalbutu Vitale. She was showing the respect to her guest who has come. This is very rarely seen in villages. This is very important. That sums up Felicia. She is a student of Rosary College. After that, she worked under a CA. So Sydney have to be careful. So we Number one. Number two, after CA, she has been working with the Sydney's family business for some time. Asha was misguided, thinking that Sydney tege family business a kama lagla teso mogan bol kai mun. Then one day I wanted to interact with them. They said no. It was much before that. So Felicia, there are two important things and traits in you. One is Felicia, you are a wonderful child. You are really a wonderful child because Amele Gaon itu horse Ravan. I used to notice you, I used to see you, but we used to wonder what is there behind the face of this Felicia. So, in one day, to get John on this, you made my all doubts clear. Number two, important things, parents of Sydney, parents of Felicia. So detail ulo pauspan hai because everybody knows without parents there is nothing. Both the side, lot of hard work has gone in. But kazarak ditalo kide. Usually for every toast I try to give something to the children, to the people who get married. See, I was soda ek point mota. Muge kadra toast Father Joyalan kello. आज देखून म्हाका त्या टोस्टाचो उगडास आसा. तेणे सदां म्हणलें एंटनी एंड वायलट कम वॉट मे येड उदेल मुट्रीच आनी येड पोस्ट फुडें तुम भितर कितें आहा जायत differences, settle them down and then only go to sleep. Never go to bed with your grievances inside. आता हांव फेलिसी तेगे पेरंट्साक कांय सांगपा ना कित्याक तुमी तुगे चेडवाक सिडनीच्या घरांत येवन तुवें एक व्हडलो त्याग केला. इट इज इमॅजिनेशन समटायम वी थिंक चेडवाक काजार केल म्हणटरीत तेका हिंकोत येयले सो एब्सोल्युटली रबिश. She has all the right to do mistakes in the house of Sydney. जरी तर वयर सकल कितें जाता clear cut, it's a message for all the parents of the boys. All the parents of the boys. कसली मिस्टेक जर तर फेलिसिया को झाली तो गुन्हा कोणाचो कोणागे को सिडनी माहीत गेला आणि पाय गेला. If they cannot accommodate her, that is their problem. She is a guest in that house. फाल्यां ताका घराको एक रबर सोद म्हूण जाय तेका मेळना. तेका मेळना म्हूण तेगे मायंड पायन घोवा मायंड पायन तेजेर कांय चालू जायना. She needs to talk to her, believe in her, and be with her in all her small errands that she may do wrong. कितने जरी तो फेलिसिया के चुकोले take this on record. If the parents of the groom, they need to accommodate this girl as your own daughter. If any mother and father can accommodate their daughter with all the problems and difficulties, why not Felicia? So, एक फायनल रिक्वेस्ट त्यादस आणि पेद्रीना कडेच किती वेळ सकल जाऊ गुन्हा कोणाचो लास्ट एंड फायनल टच फॉर सिडनी एंड फॉर फेलिसिया. आम्ही एक पोट कोताय मातयेचो बुरकुलो. त्या मातये बुरकुल कोत्या जाणा कोण चयला. युजली आय टेल दिस स्टोरी फॉर लॉट ऑफ पीपल. हाउ मेनी पीपल नो हाउ द पॉट इज बीइंग मेड मातयेचो? Anybody knows? माथे पोट कोत्या जाणा दोन हात लागताय. एक भायल्यान आणि एक भितरल्यान. भायल्यान हात लागत तो घोवागे धरया. भितरल्यान हात लागत तो भायलेलो. Why like this? The roughness with a tough hand, the father or the husband handles the situation at home. Softness with love, with generosity is being handled by the woman, the bride or the wife. आता पोट रेडी जालो. पोट रेडी जाल म्हणटा तो पोट काडू नाका. ते विलाचे आसत न्ही तो पोट काडपा जाय. पोट कितकोन काडटा? एनीबडी एनी आयडिया? फेलिसिया एनी आयडिया? With a thread. Who was that? You? Get married soon. Okay. Joking. With a thread. सुतान काढाय. हातीन काढू जायना. हाती काम झाले. घोवाले झाले आणि बायलेले झाले. A thread represents what? I'll ask you. Thread represents what? Parents will. No. It's Jesus Christ. Without Jesus, no pot can be off the stand. The thread is the final countdown for that life that we make. So with that, keep that in mind. तुम कितें करो life on as husband and wife. All the success has to be dealt keeping Jesus in the middle. Okay? So with that note, I want to tell you that we all over here love you and Dev Bare Karu for giving this opportunity. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Anthony De Silva. Well, ladies and gentlemen.